is this idea that the system that works together is the system that works. So this organization teaches that it's collaboration amongst all the players that makes a difference, and the judges play a significant role in that collaboration because judges, as much as anybody, have the ability to bring folks together around the same table to talk.
Starting from day one, the thing that you want to do is recognize urgency. This is the biggest thing that's ever happened in this family's life. This is a crisis, and we need to meet that crisis with an abundance of help.
Children do best when they stay with their families, as long as you provide the resources to the families that help them address whatever issues may be present, but also have a working case plan for the children. And all of that, in order for it to work, requires a meaningful judicial oversight of what's going on in that case.
Loading up parents on all of those case plans is not going to result in success, but tailoring the case plan to really meet those immediate needs of the family is important. I recently had a case that I just heard last week where we were concerned that the department didn't even make the most basic effort of maybe getting this family a phone when every referral they made for them required during the pandemic to make a phone call. So we told them the very basic thing that you have to do is provide a phone, and then let's see if they're able to use it.
Positive reinforcement, I think, is always really good. If they're doing well and I get a positive report, I'm always sure to share it with them and let them know that, wow, you're doing really well. Like, this is great. You're getting closer to getting your kids back. And when they start doing well, they see that they're doing well.
I think there's a tendency to try to take the path of least resistance, and it's up to judges to make sure that in our oversight role, we're applying the letter and the spirit of the law, the heart of the law, not just the letters on a piece of paper.
The juvenile court judge has to be open to new developments in the law and in service delivery. Let's take relative placement. Relatives were not a preferred placement in the law until 2009. Now, relatives are a preferred placement.
We want to do everything to leave that child safe at home and bring in resources, and removal is a last resort with the hope that reunification can happen as quickly as possible.
Parents have attorneys, kids have attorneys and advocates, and those folks can get together even before they have to come to court and sit down and talk about what the problems are, what the solutions are, and what services are needed to get the ball rolling to avoid removals altogether. Certainly, if we can create a system and an environment where children do not have to be removed at all, that's certainly the best.
As a judge, I want to make sure that families have a fair opportunity to remain together, and I'm personally going to make certain that they have the services necessary. That's my calling, that's my life.